Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to new video. So today in this video we're gonna share with you lots of things so that you can develop your speaking skills. So for this reason in order to we have come here so that you can improve your speaking skill as well as we can improve our speaking skills. So for this reason we have come here, and it's been a long time we're learning English language. So for this reason we have got some tips and tricks how people, if anyone want to learn English language, if anyone want to speak English, so what should they do, what they should do. So for this reason Sunny has also come here. So Sunny, he will share with us how we can improve our speaking skill. So for this reason I'm gonna ask you some questions. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, so what's your first tips and tricks for the guys who want to learn English language as well as who want to speak English fluently, naturally, authentically? So what will be your first tips?
Okay, so first of all, I want to say that if anyone want to speak English in the future,
Okay.
right? So first of all, I want to mention that we have a big dream, and we want to see our position in the future. Right, those who are watching this video, I think you have also a dream to speak English properly, and you have a vision that you want to see your position in the future,
Of
right?
course.
And you want to speak frequently, properly, so that people will appreciate you after hearing your voice, after hearing your English, right? So first of all, many people, they are want to learn English, but they are not able to. Actually, they don't know what they should do for that, right? So my first suggestion will be that if anyone wants to speak English, and most of the people, they don't know from where they can start their spoken
Yeah,
English.
it's the main reason.
This is the main reason. So think about your childhood, that in our childhood right now, we are hearing Bangla
Yes, of
from
course.
our mothers, parents, sisters, brothers, or neighborhoods,
Yeah, of
right?
course.
And at the first time, we was not able to speak Bangla properly,
Yeah.
right? We speak a little bit, and day by day we are going to be speak properly, right? So English doesn't have alternative way. You have to listen a lot. The first tips will be that you have to
Listening.
listen a lot, listening,
Yeah, of
right?
course.
And most of the people, they will ask that, okay, so I listen a lot, but I don't understand their sentences, what they want to make understand,
Yeah, of
right? So
course.
there's the one problem,
Yeah.
right?
This is
So but my suggestion will be that you don't need to understand their language or their sentences, what they want to make you understand. First of all, you have to listen a lot. Listen is the main important for learning English. Okay, so first one, listening.
Yeah, of
Okay,
course.
so second one, I think you will share.
Of course. So thank you very much for giving me this opportunity to share with our guys so that everyone can improve themselves. And the second one will be speaking. The way you will listen, you have to like speak like this way. If you listen any native speaker, you have to try to speak like them. The way they pronounce something hard. But if you try, first of all you can try slowly, then you can repeat again and again and again. When you will become like them, and after that you will guess that how you are speaking, your speaking is improving. So first one will be listening, and after that you have to mimic them. Whatever you will listen from other, you have to mimic, you have to speak like them, you have to try a lot. There is no alternative way without speaking. So if you are really excited to speak, so you have to speak. So there is no alternative way. So I think you will try to listen as well as speak,
Okay.
so it will be better for all of us.
Okay, so second one is speaking, right?
Yeah, of course.
Okay, so can you please hold it?
Okay.
So, and third one is, now I'm going to share with you the third one, right?
Yeah.
So third one, I will suggest you that some tongue twister, very essential for speaking English. Okay, because there are so many vocabulary, sentences, phrases, idioms, strong, I
Yeah,
can
of
say,
course.
and we are not able to speak through our mouth properly.
Yeah.
Right. So if you want to overcome your weakness, you can practice some tongue twister, like top cup cup top today kalos kali konap kick. In this tongue twister, you can practice every day.
Yeah, of course.
I think it will be better for you. Okay, so third one is tongue twister, and the fourth one is okay. We have completed listening, speaking, and tongue twister. And fourth one is, if you want to make video, or if you have time to make video, you can make video.
Of course.
Whatever you know, whatever going in your mind, it doesn't matter. Just open the camera and try to speak whatever you are saying in front of you, or behind it, or next to you. Okay, so just try to speak. Okay, so actually I can say there are so many ways that you can utilize for speaking English, and every ways are connecting together. Okay, like Liman already has shared with us that speaking, first of all, you have to speak a lot. So if you want to and my next topic is, or suggestion is, making video. So if you want to make video, you have to speak, right?
Yeah,
so
of
if you
course.
want to speak, you have to practice tongue twister. If you want to practice tongue twister or speak properly, you have to listen a lot.
Oh.
Okay, so everything
connected.
connecting, right?
Yeah,
Get
of course.
together, I can say. So
Both
there's
are
the thing.
connected each
Yes,
other.
yes. And also for the first time, if you want to just practice your English, I can say, whatever you translate Bangla to English, also you pronounce Bangla as well as English. It will be better for you.
Yeah.
Because for the first time, if you will practice Bangla to English, you will understand everything, right? So, and what will be second one, Liman? Can you please?
Okay, so second one, as you are watching our video from mobile phone, so you have a mobile phone, so it's a great opportunity, because in early age you have got the mobile phone, because you can also practice by using mobile phone. Like you have a mobile phone, if you have a data, you can download ChatGPT, as well as you can download Gemini. By Gemini, I have noticed that today I have practiced more than 20 minutes with Gemini by using video call. You can talk with Gemini by video call. It's a great opportunity the Gemini it's giving us, and you can turn on your camera, then after that you can practice with Gemini. He will share with you, like if you are saying Gemini that what is this, he will share with you that. If you don't know how to speak, you can share in Bangla that eta ki bolun. Gemini will be show you this is here. Okay, so like this way Gemini can share anything. If you just turn on your camera, and after that you can show anything, Gemini he will be answering your question. Like you are showing this one, if you say Gemini that what is this, Gemini will show you that. He will say that it's a microphone, it's used for recording video, it's used for recording sound. This type of things you will get from Gemini. So it's a really great opportunity. But before some month I didn't know about Gemini, and after downloading Gemini, and I'm using this for improving myself. And today I have got the point how to speak with Gemini by video call. Yeah.
Okay.
It's not a call, but he will watch you very deeply, as well as if you turn on your camera, so that he can share with you everything.
Okay, so thank you so much, Liman. And the sixth topic, I think it will be last topic,
Yeah,
or
of
last
course.
suggestion, that partner. Like
Yeah,
as
of
you are
course,
watching
it's
that
really fantastic.
Limon is next to me, and we are get together. So I think you might not have a partner to practice every day your speaking English, but it doesn't matter. Already Limon has shared with us that you can download Gemini or ChatGPT or different types of apps for speaking or for practicing your spoken English, right? So if you will be able to get any kinds of partner, I think it will be better for you, right? So we don't want to make it longer because Azan is going on.
Yeah, of course.
Okay, and the natural beauty really amazing. I like such kind of natural beauty, and it's been a long time we have come here, right?
Yeah, of course.
In order to make video. Okay, so that's all about
Today's video.
Yes, so I think I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, you can share as well as like our video. So assalamu alaikum.